Hello, this is Maysam. I always had difficulty for the drawer fronts to install them, and it was like really painful for me. One day I sat and designed this so I can use it to install the drawer fronts. It's only six major pieces you can see, and this is the whole total overview of how it sits on the cabinet doors. And here it is. I'm doing it live in a video to show you how it works, and it only takes like less than 4 minutes to install these four drawer fronts. So take a look at the video now. So as you can see, there are like two major pieces. One is actually for the right and for the left. It has a little tiny R on it, so you can see it's for the right side, and the other one has the L sign, so that's for the left side. So you just push them firm and make sure it's sitting there well. And there's a gap here for the like next, like adjacent drawers if you need it. And then all you need to do is just put two of these things on the top of the drawer box, and when you close it, it's gonna sit flush like the way you can see it right now. And then all you need to do is just put the drawer front. It's gonna sit on the bottom pieces like nice and easy. As you can see, I have like a camera in one in my right hand, and I'm doing it in like one-handed, but it's just sitting there. So you adjust it in the middle, and this is ready to be screwed. Then when you screw it, it's time for the next drawer box. You put the drawer box, and it's gonna be like the same things for the drawer. You put on the top side, and you close the drawer. Now there's this third piece that you need to use. One on the right side, and as you can see, this is the 1/8 gap, and it's just only 3 millimeters. You can adjust it with something else, but yeah, this was the prototype. I had to just cut it like this, but then I just fixed it over my design. And the next drawer front is gonna just sit right there. No need to hold it, no need to touch it. It's just gonna sit there, and it's gonna be flush with the bottom one. Then you do this all the way to the top, and at the end, all you need to do is just remove these blue pieces from the top of the drawer box. So you need two of these for each drawer box, but for the base on the bottom and on the top of the drawer box, you only need left and right for the whole project. As you can see, I'm just taking out these guys and the bottom pieces. So one-handed, I installed this like in 5 minutes, but two-handed, I'm sure you can get like really faster. It's gonna be flush, and the distance between the drawer fronts are gonna be really identical for that 1/8 or whatever is actually designed. So I hope this is something you can work on, and I have upgraded version. I did the 3D printed myself. I can send you a 3D printed version if you want, and let me know whatever you need. Thank you.